guys, I'm Varshit, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a origami transforming ninja star. Comment down below what video you want me to make next, and this video was commented by Saran Datla, so thanks for that. Let's start. Things you need are 2 sheets or sticky notes. First, you need to take one sheet and make it to a square like this. Then tearing this extra part. Unfold it. Now fold this into half like this. Unfold it. Again turn it and fold it again. Now you need to cut this into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like this. In the same way, you need to make 8 more, or else you can just simply use a sticky note. If you are using a sticky note, you need to keep the gluey side on the top. Fold this into half like this. Unfold it, turn it, fold it into half again like this. Unfold it. Now keep the sticky side on the top again and fold this like this. And press over here in the center like this. Now you need to fold this into half like this. Turn it, and now you need to push this part here. It will make something like this, and now you need to close these both flaps like this. In the same way, you need to make 7 more pieces. Take one piece, take another piece, and now you need to open these flaps like this. Take the other piece, keep it inside like this. And now you need to open this flap and you need to fold these things inside like this. You need to do the same thing for all of the pieces. The last step is a bit tricky, so I'm showing you how to do it. You need to open the flaps like this, take the other piece, keep it inside like this, and then you need to insert this thing inside this. So to do that, you need to pull this apart like this, not so much, just a little, and then insert this thing. And then make a crease. You have to do the same thing to the other one. Just pull this a little bit and fold this in. The transforming ninja star is now ready. To transform it, you need to push it inside like this. Turn it, then again push it inside a bit. Then turn it again, push it inside again. And to make it normal, you just need to expand it like this. You need to pull out like this, then turn it, again pull it out, again pull it out. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.